Ito na ang ginigan tuwing Sabado, ang Comedy Bar.
I want ugly. I'm ugly.
I'm ugly! I'm ugly!
I'm ugly. I'm ugly. I'm ugly.
I want ugly.
I'm ugly.
I'm ugly!
I want ugly.
I'm ugly.
I want ugly.
I'm ugly.
I want ugly.
I'm ugly.
They're all talking about ugly!
Hold them like you do if this is play. Hold them fix and raise and baby, baby, stay with me. Looking intuition, play the side of the star. And I've never been hooked, the one that's on the solid star. Oh, 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 oh. I got him hot, show them what I got. Oh, 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 oh. I get him hot, show them what I got. Carry by, no he can read in my poker face. She's got to love nobody. Carry by, no he can read in my poker face. Poker face, poker face. We are the crowd, come see coming out. Got my question, it's true. Got this picture of you, it's so magical. Ready for tastical. Come on, girl, I'll be a girl. Backstage at the show, love it from some guitar. 'Cause you're my rhythm, it don't have to fly. Loving you, cherry pie. 'Cause you know the baby I'm the biggest fan. Love you till you love me. Papa, paparazzi. Baby, there's no other superstar you know that I'll be. Papa, paparazzi. Promise I'll be kind. But I will stop until that boy is mine. Ha, 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 ha. Baby, there's no other superstar. Yes, so until you love me. Papa, paparazzi. Name, don't call my name, Alejandro. I'm not your babe, I'm not your babe, Fernando. Don't wanna touch, don't wanna say. Don't call my name, don't call my name, Alejandro. Don't call my name, don't call my name, Alejandro. I'm not your babe, I'm not your babe, Fernando. Don't wanna kiss, don't wanna touch, put my cigarette in his head. Oh, Alejandro, Alejandro. Thank you. Roma, Roma, Gaga, ooh la la, watch out for Rome. I want you on me, I want you to sweet. I want you everything as long as me. I want your love, 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 love. I want your love. I want your love and I want your revenge. You and me could run a bad romance. Oh, 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 I want your revenge. You and me could run a bad romance. Oh, 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 caught in a bad romance. Oh, 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 caught in a bad romance. La la la, Roma, Roma, Gaga, ooh la la, watch out for romance, watch out for romance.
Ang husay! Yes! Halika na! Ladies and gentlemen, the Uglies!
Thank you!
Oy!
Kamusta naman kayo? Maraming Kamusta naman? Maraming
Kasi ang susupladan
Kasi
nyo.
nagsusuplada.
Ang mga taong matataray, may napapala kagad. Oy! Girsa mo na! Ate Kay!
Bakit po?
Kailan ka ba naging Lady Gaga? Pwede ba sinora-honor na kumanta ng Lady Gaga?
Pwede po.
Paano?
Oh, go!
Kung Lady Gaga ka.
Ano ba yan? Umalis ka kasi, umalis ka na. Buti na lang hindi ka nagkausap ng mga Tagalan.
Ang susuplada?
Oo.
Ugly na ang susuplada pa? Wala ka tayong dalawa. Very friendly! Welcome to Comedy Bar!
Good evening, everyone!
Ang dami-dami nating bisita ngayong gabi. Thank you for coming!
Kasi naman, ang saya ng gabing ito, promise,
Nakakatawa yung mga
sa mga
ugly.
televiewers natin, pinapangako namin ngayong gabi. Pag hindi kayo nag-enjoy, mag-enjoy kayo. Okay.
Oo, utang na loob, kalimutan nyo na lahat ng problema ninyo. At ngayon pa lang nagpapasalamat na tayo sa lahat ng nanonood, lahat ng kapuso sa buong mundo. Ang dami-dami talaga nagko-comment sa Facebook.
True!
Sobra.
Ay,
Maraming
grabe.
salamat. At talaga ang
At
taas
marami
na.
silang dapat talagang abangan din tonight,
Oh,
Bes.
tulad ng
Eh, si Fabio kasi ngayong gabi, mga kaibigan, magiging tour guide.
may sense kaya ito. Good luck.
Bahala na si Batman.
Ay, dito ako excited. We will have a rockin' good time tonight with the legend Mike Hannibal.
Whoa! Makikilala rin natin ang stand-up comedian for tonight, si Jessa.
Zaragoza ba ito?
Hindi. Ay, Bes, alayo na pinanggalingan ito.
Saan?
Ito yung isa sa mga auditions natin na ginawa out of town. Sa Iloilo pa galing to.
Ay, o sige.
Ilonggoday ba?
Panoorin natin yan mamaya. At ngayong gabi na magaganap ang nakaka-tense na unang eviction ng Beer Jeans.
Ay, nakakalungkot naman yan.
Nakapasok kaya ang binoto ninyo?
Malalaman natin.
Dali muna! Pwede papasukin muna natin yung paborito natin.
O, sige.
Fabio! Wow, ang dami na mga dito!
Ay, kaya pala maraming babae.
Hello everyone!
So, do you have something to say? Are you going to sing?
Meron akong ng rap.
Ay, may
Para
rap.
sa inyo.
Oh, magra-rap
May
ka.
rap, may rap siya, may rap.
Sige.
Ha, ha. Ako ay Fabinho, ha? Filipino. Hindi pa Brazipino. Comedy bar, nakakatawa. Hindi yung Domingo. Alan K, mahal kita.
Bes, nadinig mo yun. Fabio. Ang tagal kong hinintay niyan. I have long waited for that. Are you serious? Because if you are, then show it to them. Prove. Halika dito. Okay.
Sino naman gumawa ng rap mo?
Ako.
Ikaw lang gumawa.
Ba't ka nagagalit?
Ang galing. Okay.
At syempre kasama rin natin ang 6 feet long.
Na busy. Ang daming racket, daming gigs.
So ngayon, relax muna tayo at makisama sa kasiyahan ng favorite game nating Iba